The all-new HDpivot is the latest evolution of heavy-duty tire carriers from Smittybilt. The new fully customizable unit is strong and engineered to handle a larger-size spare tire while protecting your tailgate from possible buckling and bending, all while offering the performance and appearance today's customers demand. When it comes to design, Smittybilt prides itself on being able to solve real-world problems. And the HDpivot is no different. This new tire carrier is the right solution to prevent tailgate flex, buckling, and bending that off-roaders can experience when upgrading to an oversized spare. Engineered in the USA, the new HDpivot tire carrier has endured over 2,000 hours of development and testing to provide an easy-to-install spare tire solution that performs and looks great. With this new design, durability is our top priority. That's why the new HDpivot features cast aluminum monoblock construction and a reinforced unibody hinge plate, allowing Jeep owners to go big and load almost any spare tire and wheel combination up to 40 inches. 12mm diameter hardened pin, hardened hinge points, and brass bushings allow for the smooth single-action opening and closing of your tailgate. The internal gusset design coupled with the strong aluminum exoskeleton adds strength while eliminating flex, rattling, buckling, and sag. Durability means that after a hard day on the trail, the HDpivot tire carrier protects your Jeep while providing the ease and performance you expect. Smittybilt has thought of everything to make upgrading to an oversized spare a breeze with the new HDpivot tire carrier. Adjustable, multi-directional tire mounts allow Jeep owners the ability to position their spare perfectly, no matter the size, angle, or wheel combination. Don't worry about your license plate frame, third brake light, or backup camera. Included with the pivot are relocation provisions for all three. But that's not all. The HDpivot can be customized even further to match your traditional fastback or open-top JL. The new tailgate even has mounting points for a trail jack, CB antennas, and additional tie-downs. From the all-new HDpivot tire carrier to the front bumper and all the gear in between, Smittybilt provides customizable solutions to fit your unique style. Built by enthusiasts for enthusiasts, with real-world value and endless options. At Smittybilt, our adventure is your adventure.